Hello everyone and welcome back to English listening practice. How are you today? In today's video, you will listen to a simple and realistic English conversation at a cafe. This slow English conversation is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening skills, spoken English, vocabulary and pronunciation naturally. The story is about two co-workers, David and Erin, who decide to take a relaxing coffee break after a long day at work. Don't worry if your English level is beginner or intermediate. I'll speak slowly, clearly, and naturally so you can relax, enjoy the story, and learn real life English expressions easily. Before we begin, here is today's listening challenge question. What kind of coffee does David usually like to drink? Listen carefully and try to find the answer during the conversation. When you know the answer, write it in the comments in English. Even a short sentence helps improve your English writing and speaking confidence. Ready? Alright, let's begin.
Oh man, I'm really tired today.
You look exhausted. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just really need a break right now.
Honestly, me too. I've been staring at my computer all day.
Same here. My brain needs coffee.
Coffee sounds amazing right now.
Definitely. Want to go to a cafe nearby?
Sure. Do you know a good place around here?
Yeah, there's a new cafe just around the corner from our office.
Really? Since when?
It opened last month. I've been there a few times already.
Oh, nice. Then let's go.
Give me 1 minute. Let me finish this email first.
No problem. I'll grab my jacket. Wow, this cafe looks really beautiful.
Yeah, it has a cozy atmosphere.
And it smells incredible in here. Fresh coffee always smells so relaxing.
I know. This place already makes me feel better.
Look at the menu. There are so many choices.
Cappuccino, latte, espresso, iced coffee?
I think I'll get a hot latte today.
Good choice.
What about you?
I think I want an iced latte today.
Really? I thought you liked hot coffee.
Usually I do, but it's warm outside today.
That makes sense.
And honestly, I really love black coffee.
Black coffee? No milk or sugar?
Exactly. Just strong coffee.
Wow, that's too strong for me.
I love the strong taste. It wakes me up instantly.
I need milk and a little sugar in my coffee.
Everyone drinks coffee differently.
That's true.
Are you hungry too?
A little. Actually, yes, very hungry.
Same here. Let's order some food too.
The sandwiches look really fresh.
And that chocolate cake looks dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yeah, because I'll probably eat the whole thing.
Honestly, same.
Okay, I'll get the sandwich.
And I'll get the cake.
Hello, welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get one medium iced latte with a little sugar, please?
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, one medium black coffee.
No milk or sugar?
Nope, he likes it black.
Got it.
And also one sandwich and one piece of chocolate cake.
Perfect. That'll be $12.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please have a seat. We'll bring everything to your table shortly.
Finally, I'm starving.
Try your coffee first.
Wow, that's good.
Really?
Yeah, strong, cold, and smooth. Perfect.
My latte is really creamy.
And this sandwich is amazing.
The cake is incredible too. You need to try it.
Deal. You try my sandwich and I'll try your cake.
Perfect trade.
That was such a nice break. Yeah, I feel much more relaxed now.
We should definitely come back here next week.
Absolutely. Next time, I want to try their cappuccino.
And maybe the muffins too.
Honestly, I just love cafe time.
Me too. Good coffee makes life better.
That's 100% true.
How was the conversation? Did you enjoy this English listening practice? I hope this slow and easy English conversation helped you improve your listening skills, vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking confidence. Now let's go back to today's question. What kind of coffee does David like to drink? Did you find the answer? Write your answer in the comments below in English. Practicing simple English sentences every day is one of the best ways to improve your English fluency naturally. If you enjoyed this beginner English conversation, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and continue practicing English with us every day. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next English lesson. Bye.